Hello, my name is Mohammed. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic. It's called angles in quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals means any 2D closed shape. It has four sides. Is called quadrilaterals. So quad means basically four. Quad means four, and laterals means sides. So any 2D shapes has four sides. Closed 2D shape has four sides is called quadrilateral. We discussed many times in our previous video. For example, this is the shape we use many times. It's called rectangle, and this is the shape is, I would say, this is a square, and this is rectangle. So it has four sides. So that's why it's called quadrilateral. And it has four angles. A straight angle, which you know is a 90 degree. So what? The four angle in a quadrilateral always add up to 360 degree. So quadrilateral, the total angles which is 360 degree. Now I am moving other shapes. This is called parallelograms. So it has two parallel sides and they have opposite angles. So opposite angles means if I say this is 110, so the opposite angle must be same, 110. So the remaining will be, if a total angle which is 360 degree, so if I say 360 take away 220, so which is 140 divided by 2. So this angle which is equal to this opposite angle, 70 degree. So this is called parallelograms. And now another shape for the quadrilateral, which is rhombus. Rhombus has four equal sides. They all sides are equal, but they also have a property for opposite angle. So if I say this one is 115, so this angle must be 115. So which is 360 take away 230, the remaining is 130 divided by 2, which is 65 degree each. So they have parallel lines and all are equal. All sides are equal. This is called rhombus. And now I am moving one more shape, which is kite. So the kite has a property two pair of equal length. Okay, so two pair of equal length which has two opposite angles. So this is called kite. So if I say this is the angle which is 100 and this one must be 100 degree. If I say this one is 70. So what's the missing angle, which is x? So what we do, simply we need to add this one 360 take away 360 take away 270. So it means this must be 90 degree. So the kite two pair of adjacent sides, two pairs of adjacent sides with equal length and one pair of angle, which is called kite. And the fourth quadrilateral, which is trapezium. So this is called trapezium. So trapezium has one pair, only one pair of parallel line, okay? And for example, this is x, this is y, this is z, and this is w. So co-interior angles which is equal to x plus y is a co-interior angle which are equal to 180 degree. So this x plus y which is equal to 180 degree, this z plus w equal to 180 degree. So this is called trapezium. So the trapezium has four angles and the two co-interior angles which is equal to 180 degree, and this is the one opposite pair of sides. So this is called trapezium. So if I say that what? The y equal to 80 degree. So find the value of x. And also if I say this W is 80 degree, find the value of Z. So how you can find it, okay? We know that x plus y equal to 180 degree. So what we do, okay, we simply 180 take away 80, which is 100 degree for the value of x. And the same as the z value, okay, 100 take away 80, which is 100 degree. So this is called trapezium. And now I am moving irregular quadrilateral. So the irregular quadrilateral can be anyone, okay? For example, if I say this. Okay, this is irregular quadrilateral because it has four corners, four sides. It has four sides. And also four angle, which is I say 100 degree. This one I would say that 90 degree. And this one I would say is a 60 degree. So find the value of missing angle. This is called irregular quadrilateral. So it has what? 100, 90 plus 60, which is 250, and 360 take away 250, which is 110 degree. So it means the missing angle you can find out by subtracting the all three angles from 360 degree. So this is the shapes for quadrilateral, okay, apart from rectangle and square shape. So parallelograms, rhombus, kite, trapezium, and irregular quadrilateral. So there are 5 types of quadrilateral shape examiner may ask. And the angles you need to find very easily. Let me take a couple of more examples to understand this one. So, for example, I'm going to take one of the exam question, and it's like and they are giving you angle which are 2x. This is also 2x. This is 4x, and this is also 4x. So now the examiner asking about the angle for each side. Surprisingly, there is no angles written. They are giving you the value as a 2x, 4x, and 4x. Go back to my last video, okay, which we discussed about equation. So we can make, like, if I say that the angle, if I go back, same trapezium, okay? If I say this is x, this is y, this is z, and this is w, okay? So the x plus y plus z plus w, which is equal to 360 degree. So this is the equation, you can make it. The same thing you need to do here. So what? You're going to add the all sides, which is 2x plus 2x plus 4x plus 4x, which is equal to 360 degree, is right. So 2x, 4x, 4x, which is 12x, equal to 360. And next step, to get rid of this 12, so I need to do what? Divide by 12. So it means what? X equal to 30. So the value of x I found, which is 30. Now I'm going to substitute this value to each side. What? 2x. So 2x means 2 times 30, which is 60 degree. This one is also 60 degree. And the same, this value of x need to substitute this angle. So 4 times 3 is 12. So it means 120 degree. If there is 120 degrees, so this one 4 times x is also 120 degree. So you can work out this way as well, okay? So you need to simply add all sides, which is equal to 360 degree, and divide by 12, and to get the value of x, and you can substitute the value of x. So you can find now this is 60 degree, 60 degree, 120 and 120 degree. So this is called angles in quadrilateral. Very simple, and you need to find out the missing angles by subtracting 360. So if you like this video, please leave your comments and subscribe as well my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.